What happens to the eyes as you age? They go the way of the weasel. They start puffing. That big circular muscle, it starts sagging. I know we've been misled by cats telling us that ain't the case. Nothing we can do to fix it. That's collagen loss. That's crap. Here's a man, 61-year-old man. Look at his eyes. His body's in shape. He exercises his body, but not his face. Only because he's been duped by plastic surgeons who are lying for their own benefit. Yes, they lie. Doctors lie. They're not trying to help you. They're trying to fleece you. They want your money. They got a big tab at the bar they want you to pay. I ain't paying it. So look at a diagram. I'll put a diagram of actual face muscles. The big circular muscles around the eyes. They're large. They're thick. When you start aging, after so long, that big muscle starts sagging. If you exercise your eyes, that won't happen. Or you can walk around with big saggy eyes. That's all good.